If you want to verify your GoDaddy domain in Google Search Console, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can connect your domain, start verification, and get confirmed in Search Console without any confusion. This is an important setup if you want Google to understand your website better, track performance, and help your pages show up in search results. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, go to the Google Search Console website in your browser. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to get started. Click Start Now to begin the setup process. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you may need to log in first, so use the account you want connected to your website. After that, you'll be taken to the Property Setup screen. Here, you need to choose the domain method because that is the best option when you want to verify your entire domain, including all subdomains and protocols. In the domain field, type your domain name exactly as it appears in GoDaddy. Make sure you enter it correctly without HTTP or HTTPS and without adding extra words. Then click Continue. Google will now prepare the verification process. On the next screen, click Start Verification. At this point, Google Search Console will redirect you over to GoDaddy so it can confirm ownership through your domain provider. This step may look a little different depending on your account, but the goal is the same: connect GoDaddy so Google can verify that you control the domain. Once you land on GoDaddy, look for the Connect button and click it. This authorizes the connection and begins the verification process. After that, verification will start automatically. In some cases, it can take a few minutes, so don't worry if it doesn't complete instantly. Just let the process run and wait for it to finish. If everything is set up correctly, Google will confirm ownership and your domain will be verified successfully. Once that happens, you're done. You can now use Google Search Console to monitor indexing, submit sitemaps, check performance, and troubleshoot search visibility for your website. This is a really useful setup, especially if you're trying to grow your site and improve how it appears in Google Search. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and leave a comment if you want me to cover the next step, like submitting a sitemap or checking indexing.